stop for a moment and think about this. What if the first meal you eat in the morning could decide how young, how energetic, and how happy you feel for the rest of the day? Imagine starting every single morning with energy that lasts, a sharp mind that keeps you focused, and a body that feels light, strong, and youthful. My friends, your breakfast has that power. And today, I want to share with you not just healthy breakfast ideas, but a way of living that helps you feel alive no matter your age. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're watching this, it means you care about your health, you care about your future, and you want to live longer, healthier, and stronger. And let me tell you, age is not slowing you down. Age is proof of your wisdom, your experience, and your strength. And if we feed our bodies the right way, move a little every day, and keep a positive mindset, there is no reason we cannot feel better at 60, 70, or even 80 than we did at 40. So let's talk about breakfast, the meal that sets the tone for your entire day. Most people rush through it or skip it altogether, but for older adults, breakfast is golden. It gives you steady energy, keeps your brain sharp, and protects you from fatigue later in the day. Imagine beginning your morning with a meal that fuels your muscles, strengthens your bones, supports your heart, and gives your skin that natural youthful glow. That's the power of a healthy breakfast. Now, you don't need complicated recipes or fancy ingredients. Let's start with something simple: oats. A warm bowl of oats topped with fresh fruit, a handful of nuts, and maybe a drizzle of honey. Oats give you fiber, which keeps your digestion smooth, and that's very important as we age. Fiber also protects your heart, balances blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. Add blueberries or strawberries on top. They're full of antioxidants that fight aging from the inside out. Nuts add healthy fats for your brain, and suddenly you've got a meal that feels light yet powerful. Another amazing breakfast is eggs. So many people think eggs are old-fashioned, but they are one of the best foods for seniors. Packed with protein, they support muscle strength, which is key to staying independent as you grow older. Scramble them with spinach, tomatoes, or peppers, and you've got a colorful plate full of vitamins. If you want something even lighter, make a veggie omelet or boiled eggs with whole grain toast. Whole grains keep your energy steady so you don't crash mid-morning. Now, I want you to picture this: starting your morning with a smoothie. Just toss in a banana, some berries, a handful of spinach, a spoon of yogurt, and blend. In 2 minutes, you have a nutrient-packed meal that feels refreshing and youthful. Smoothies are also perfect if you don't feel like eating heavy food in the morning. They hydrate you, energize you, and keep your skin glowing. Add chia seeds or flax seeds for extra omega-3s to protect your brain and joints. And for those who like something savory, how about avocado toast? Avocado is rich in good fats that keep your heart healthy and your skin smooth. Spread it on whole grain bread, sprinkle with seeds, maybe add a boiled egg on top. Simple, fast, and incredibly nourishing. But my friends, breakfast is not just about food. It's about starting your day with intention. Eat slowly. Enjoy your meal. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up, because hydration is one of the simplest anti-aging secrets. And after breakfast, move your body, even if it's just a 10-minute walk or light stretches. This combination of good food, gentle movement, and a positive mindset makes you unstoppable. I know many of you wonder, can I really stay energetic at this age? Can I still feel young again? The answer is yes. When you choose whole, natural foods, when you give your body fiber, protein, healthy fats, and hydration, your body thanks you. Your joints feel lighter, your energy lasts longer, and even your mood improves. You'll notice that you smile more, think clearer, and walk taller. Let me remind you, health is not about restriction or starving yourself. It's about nourishment. It's about enjoying foods that give you life instead of draining you. So, choose fruits over processed sugar, whole grains over white bread, nuts over fried snacks. Your breakfast doesn't have to be boring. It can be delicious, colorful, and exciting. And don't forget the power of mindset. As you eat, tell yourself, this food is healing me, energizing me, and keeping me young. Because your thoughts shape your reality. When you believe in your strength, your body follows. Now imagine this. Every morning you wake up, have a glass of water, Prepare your healthy breakfast, take a short walk, and start your day with gratitude. What kind of life will that create for you? A life full of energy, health, and joy. That's the gift of simple habits. And here's the truth, you don't have to be perfect. Start small. Add fruit to your breakfast tomorrow. Switch white bread for whole grain. Replace sugary cereals with oats. Step by step, your body will change, your energy will rise, and your confidence will grow. I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to know that it's never too late to make a change. Your age is not your limit. It's your strength. Every day you wake up is a new chance to live better, to eat smarter, to move more, and to love yourself. So tomorrow morning, when you sit down for breakfast, make it count. Choose health. Choose energy. Choose life, because you deserve it. My friends, thank you for spending this time with me today. If this message inspired you, make sure to share it with someone you love, because health is even more powerful when we spread it. Remember, your journey to feeling younger, stronger, and more vibrant starts with one simple choice. What's on your plate? Stay healthy, stay positive, and never stop believing in the power of a new day.